I've just obtained this 2008 GTI, which I'm sure I'll make videos of because it'll probably break all the time. But the first order of business is both keys that I got there's a hook or a loop on the top. It's broken off, and there's no way to hang it up or attach a tile to it like I want to. So let's fix that. All right, we're going to pull this apart here. There's a little button I think you can push, but I think if I just stick my screwdriver in here, I can get it apart. All right, so let's take this part now, and we'll open this up. Okay, and there's two parts. This is the electronics part, and then the batteries on this side. Now we're going to make a hole right here in the corner. So let's see. In order to do that, we're going to need to just pull this stuff out right here. So I'm just going to grab my cutter and more or less cut that off. Metal surrounded by plastic, so it takes a little doing to get it open. Okay. It's kind of a brute force thing here. It's not very pretty, but I'm going to just rip this piece of metal out of here. There we go. Alright. It's kind of like dentistry. So I got that piece out. Now, there is a hole here, but I want to make a hole in the back of this too, because I don't think this is strong enough in itself. I want to have a little bit more plastic to hold it together. Alright, so I've got this little lanyard. This one's a little longer than I like. These are often attached to USB drives, but I'm going to use this one for now. And so I'm going to have to make my hole a little bigger to get it in there, and then have it come out here as well. So it's going to go down this hole and then out the back here. So let's, I'm going to drill a hole. I'm going to make this a little bigger here. Thread this in here. Okay. Out through here. This is kind of a little long, which is ridiculous, but it's all I could find right now. Then this is going to just go pop this back together. And we'll slide this back on here. Ha! Voila! Alright. There you go. Very strong. So you got it folded over there. Go in a pocket. Hang it up. Fix for free.